Want to customize how Wintoys works on your Windows 11 PC? Wintoys includes several settings that let you personalize the app and adjust how it manages different Windows features. In this guide, I'll show you how to change Wintoys settings step by step. Let's get started. First, launch Wintoys from the Start menu. Wait for the application to finish loading, then look for the Settings option, usually represented by a gear icon or located within the application menu. This is where you'll find the app's configuration options. Next, browse through the available settings categories. Depending on your version of Wintoys, you may see options related to appearance, notifications, startup behavior, performance tools, privacy, or other application preferences. It's worth taking a few moments to understand what each setting does before making changes. Now change the settings that fit your needs. For example, you can enable or disable certain features, adjust app behavior, or configure available Windows management options. Some settings may require administrator permission, while others take effect immediately. After making your adjustments, check whether Wintoys saves the changes automatically or provides an Apply or Save button. If the application asks you to restart Wintoys or restart your computer, follow the prompt so your new settings can take effect properly. Finally, return to the main dashboard and confirm that your settings have been applied. If something doesn't work the way you expected, simply revisit the settings page and adjust the option again. You can always restore the default configuration later if needed, and that's how to change Wintoys settings. Taking a little time to customize the application can help you create a setup that better matches the way you use Windows every day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.